Today we're going to discuss a brand new release from the House of Guerlain. Are you ready? Alright, so first of all, I just want to apologize that I did not get a 12 o'clock upload today. I've been waiting for this box to come in. I wanted to release this video today, so I've been waiting and waiting. Finally, UPS showed up. So this is the brand new release from the House of Guerlain. So for many years, Lhomme EDP has been absolutely my #1 favorite fragrance of all time. And they finally released the flanker that I've been waiting for, the Parfum version. So I'm not doing this elegantly, by the way. Hold on, let's see if I can. Oh, this is terrible. I'm just making a mess of this. We've got the Lhomme and it appears that they've included some samples, which we're going to talk about later on. This is the Lhomme Parfum 2024 edition. I'm excited. Can you tell? There she is. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I did have this engraved with AFS-OM. So for a very long time, Lhomme EDP was my favorite fragrance, period. I can't think of anything more that I love than the original Lhomme EDP, so I'm super pumped to try this. So is this going to be the almond cherry cola vibe that I'm hoping it to be, or have they completely ruined this fragrance? Much more potent than the other flankers, I think. Very different in the opening. Very fruity, but not overly sweet. They've kind of foregone the effervescence of the EDP and given this almost like an icy effect. Very, how can I describe icy? It just smells icy, but very rich and very elegant. This is classic elegance in a bottle. This is beautiful. Much darker, but not so much that it's like a completely different fragrance. It's very reminiscent of the Lhomme line. There's some leather there. You could tell it's got a little bit of a spiciness to it, but it's really not anything that stands out as overly spicy or overly leathery or overly anything. Really, this is an amalgamation of all the notes that create this beautiful perfume. This is gorgeous. I have to say, this is my absolute favorite so far from the line. This is a beautiful fragrance. This feels modern, but also as if they paid respect to traditional perfumery. You can smell the provenance of Guerlain and the true history that lies in the pure beauty of this brand and what they do. They really just do one thing and they do it so well. This is beautiful. To me, this smells very almondy, but almost as if it's like an extract or something. Almost boozy in a way. Like I said, nothing stands out as a particular note. This smells like a beautiful just blend of gorgeous scents. I'm gonna have to wear this and really kind of see what vibe I get, the experience, the journey that this fragrance brings me on. I'm really excited to share that with you in the future, but right now I just kind of wanted to give you my first impression of this. This is beautiful. And I have to tell you, you have to get your hands on this to experience what I am right now. This is a beautiful fragrance. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video if you get a chance. If you guys have the opportunity, head over to fragrancedateofmind.com where you guys can score some great deals on decants to sample fragrances just like this one that I talk about in this video and thousands of others. I hope you guys don't make the mistake like I do of blind buying my fragrances, rolling that dice on whether or not something's going to be good or not. You absolutely have to be an informed buyer these days, so be sure to head over to fragrancedateofmind.com so you can check out some great decants as well as some other cool stuff too. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and an even better week. I love you all. And be sure to always look good, feel good, and smell good. And as always, have a fragrance state of mind.
Yeah. Smell good. Yeah. Yeah.